Hello, dear friends. Today we came up with another simple, unique, and innovative business idea. People usually say that investing in stock exchange is highly profitable, convenient, and easy way of business, but at the same time, it is highly risky and uncertain. As the stock exchange business is highly affected by socio-economic conditions and geopolitical conditions around the globe, minor change in these conditions highly affects in the stock exchange. In this video, we'll tell you that how you can cope with the problems forced by the fluctuations associated with stock exchange business. This idea promises that value of your stocks will definitely increase and there is no threat of losing the share or decrease in the value of your stocks. The best way of investing in stocks is livestock. Livestock with all their beneficial uses can also be the best source of profitable business. There are many ways of livestock related business. In this video, we're gonna start goat farming. Goat farming is very profitable and comparatively less risky. Moreover, you can generate 1 to 2 jobs for needy and poor people, and more interestingly, you do not need any specialized skill labor. One or two men without any special skill can run your goat farm. Being a Muslim country, the life cycle of every animal begins with Eid ul-Azha. Age of goat and price of goat are determined by reference with Eid ul-Azha. 100 male goats can be purchased right after Eid with an average age of 2 to 3 months. 2 acres of grass must be cultivated before the purchase of baby goats at least 2 months before so that they can be fed properly. One man will take care of baby goats while they are grazing, while the other man will cut the grass from those fields which are cultivated already. With these simple and easy techniques, you can grow baby goats to mature goats. For commercial purposes, you can give them different organic feeds so that goats gain more and more weight. Different grains like wheat, gram and other such things can be very helpful for gaining more weight and meat and consequently more price. Now you guys might be thinking about the profit you can get from this business. So guys, let's go to statistics. You can purchase a male goat of 2 to 3 months with a price of 5,000 rupees easily. So if you purchase 100 goats, it will cost you 500,000 rupees. And the lease rent of 2 acres is 100,000 rupees. Salary that you will pay to one employee for 1 month must be 10,000 rupees. So the total salary of 2 employees will be 240,000 rupees, and the price of grains that you will use for feeding goats will be 300,000 rupees. Let's assume other expenses of 60,000 rupees. So the total expenses will be 1.2 million. These are the expenses in this business. So now let's go to sales. At Eid, you can sell a mature goat with the price of 40,000 rupees. So if you sell 100 goats at Eid, you will get 4 million rupees. Excluding 1.2 million rupees from the total sale of 4 million rupees, you get a net profit of 2.8 million rupees within a year of your investment. So guys, this is how you can channelize your investment through proper business methods. We'll tell more unique and simple business ideas in our upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel.